Hi everybody, welcome to the Introduction to Linux. You are watching 5-part video series. My name is Sushma Priti. I'll be assisting you through this series. In this first video, I will introduce Linux and the methods of installing it. Linux is in simplest form an operating system. It is the software on a computer that enable applications and the computer operator to access the devices on the computer to perform desired functions. Linux is Unix-like operating system that was designed to provide personal computer users a free or a very low-cost operating system comparable to traditional and usually more expensive Unix systems. Ubuntu is a Debian-based Linux operating system and distribution for personal computers, smartphones, and network server. Some of the methods of installation are CD/DVD installer and Windows installer. For the first method of installing Linux in our computer is downloading the Ubuntu ISO file, which you can get the ISO file from the Ubuntu website. An ISO file is a CD image file that will need to be bound before you can use it. After then you can bound the ISO file, you can boot from the disk and install Ubuntu. Windows 7, 8 and Mac OS can all bound ISO files to a disk without having to download a separate program. Once you have finished bonding the disk, restart your computer and choose to boot from the disk. You may have to change your boot preferences by hitting the setup key while your computer is restarting. This is typically F12, F2 or delete. Open the install file on the desktop. It's now ready to install from your desktop. Your computer will need at least 4.5 GB of free space. You will want more than this if you want to install programs and create files. If you are installing a laptop, make sure it is connected to a power source, as installing can drain the battery faster than normal. You can select the button Install Ubuntu. Now you can select the language, that is English, and continue. Check the download updates automatically box as well as the install this third-party software box right here. The third-party software will allow you to play MP3 files as well as watch flash video such as YouTube. Next step is select, or you can choose what to do with your existing operating system. If you have Windows installed on your system, you will be given a couple options on how you'd like to install Ubuntu. You can either install it alongside your previous Windows installation, or you can replace your Windows installation with Ubuntu. Other steps are set your partition size, but remember Ubuntu will take up about 4.5 GB when it is installed, so be sure to leave some extra space for programs and files. And after then you can choose your location, set your keyboard layout, and enter the login information. For login information, enter your name, the name of the computer which will be displayed on the network. Choose a username and come up with a password. You can choose to have Ubuntu automatically log you in or require your username and password when it starts. Then the installation begins. Once it is finished, you will be prompted to restart the computer and Ubuntu will load. Now let's go to the second method, which is Windows installer. Here some of the steps are: download the installer from the Ubuntu website, choose your username and password, choose your desktop environment, click install to start and restart your computer for complete installation. You can download the installer from the Ubuntu website. The Windows installer will install Ubuntu alongside Windows. Your files and programs will not be affected. When you reboot your computer, you will be able to choose which operating system you would like to load. Here you can choose your username and password. Once you run the installer, you will be presented with the configuration menu. Choose your new Ubuntu username and password. You can choose your desktop environment too. Now the installer will begin downloading the files necessary to install Ubuntu on your computer. Installation will happen automatically. This is all about the Linux and the methods of installing Linux on your computer. Thanks for watching this video.